Welcome everyone. Today we are going to discuss about mania and the nursing diagnosis of the mania. So first of all, let me know you that what the mania is. So mania is a psychotic disorder which is defined as the hyperactivity and the disturbance in the thinking. So hyperactivity and the disturbance in the thinking, irritability, all this is the clinical manifestations of the mania. So it is the main topic of the mental health nursing. So let me discuss about the nursing diagnosis of the mania. So the main priority wise the diagnosis is the risk of injury, risk of violence, poor nutritional status and poor self-esteem. So here first is the risk of injury related to what? Why there is a risk of injury to the manic patient? So the risk of injury related to the hyperactivity. Patient is under risk due to the hyperactivity as evidenced by observation. So with the help of observation we observe that the patient is having the risk of injury due to hyperactivity. So second one is the risk of violence related to. So what do you think about why there is a risk of violence to the patient suffering from a mania? So related to irritability and hyperactivity as evidenced by observation. Third one is the poor nutritional status as per body requirement, related to refusal to eat as evidenced by weight loss. So we have to regularly check the weight of the patient. So patient having a poor nutritional status as per body requirement related to because the patient is not eating meal properly. So due to the refusal to eat, evidenced by, how you can know that the patient having the poor nutritional status, evidenced by the weight loss. So the last is the poor self-esteem related to unmet needs. So due to the certain unmet needs the patient is suffering from the poor self-esteem. So there is 4 main priority wise common nursing diagnoses on which you people are able to enlist the NCPs, nursing care plan. So risk of injury, risk of violence and poor nutritional status and poor self-esteem. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Hope it's helpful for you.